it's against strong teams that our team can improve.
Di pertandingan bagus ini
Against the champion,
melawan tim juara.
I hope that Warangan Bonita come to the stadium because it's important. The environment for the players can have extra energy because tomorrow we're going to need, and it's against strong teams that our team can improve. It's easy. They can put the bench players inside and have competitive squad. They have the strong defense of the league, just 11 goals conceded. We have 23, so more than the double. So means that they don't need to have many opportunities to score goals. This is a team that they have good accuracy. They have not 2 players per position. In some positions they have 5 players for this position. So this is what I said before. It's against strong teams that we can improve. We know that tomorrow we're going to make mistakes. I know, because they have experienced players. But if our focus be high and if our attitude in all the moments of the game be high, when we have the ball, when we lose the ball, I think we can make the game. I know that opponent team is strong, but as a team we can be strong also. And this is why we need Warangan Bonita to come for have more confidence for our players and give extra energy. Many players out. If you go analyze the last matches, they scored goal, offensive position, they scored goal on the crosses, center pieces. So of course we saw video analyze the team. The players know the strong players crossing and heading, first post, second post, anticipation, cut back cross. So we need to be focused tomorrow. I think I cannot tell to the players, be careful with this player. We need to say to them, be careful with the team. Because like this is better because the focus on the team, general focus, not the individual focus. And I think it's important that tomorrow we have a general focus in all the moments. We cannot just think about player A, B, or C because they are a strong team. Imagine they can have the possibility to have a former player from Paris Saint-Germain on the bench. So see the difference. But tomorrow we're going to play with 11, and I believe in my players, and I believe that they're going to try to do the best. The game on the first half, we have many chances.
We have good attitude in our players, special from line and middle line. It's not easy to keep this attitude for 90 minutes, but we keep them for 45, 40 minutes like this. Tomorrow, let's see if we can do this. We know that it is different players, different team, more experienced. This is why I told before, on the question before, that we need to be focused not just on one player, but all the team, because they have players that can change the game on the long pass, on the transition, on the cross second post or first post, on cutback. So we need to be prepared for everything. If we can repeat this intensity, I think we can have our chances, but we know that it's going to be a different game, and it's going to be a different opponent. Sometimes what we want to do, we cannot. So we need to prepare plan A, B, and C according to what the game is asking and what we can do against the champion.
Stay updated. Info terkini masih banyak. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share YouTube official OKZone. Dan selengkapnya ada di okezone.com.